Hey y'all, welcome back. Today we're going to show you a Philly cheesesteak recipe on Texas toast. Okay, so we have our smoke stone here. It's running about on medium high. Just smear around, spread out some oil. You're going to lay down some of those mushrooms and some diced sweet onions. We're going to cook these until they start to get tender. We're going to throw on our shaved ribeye. Today we're hitting these with a little bit of Killer Hogs AP. If you're not a big mushroom fan, you can omit these. You want to add some green peppers, some red roasted peppers would be great. On this sandwich today, we're just going mushroom, onions. We're going to use some American cheese. And you got to finish it with that Cheese Whiz. Okay, we got some shaved ribeye here we're going to put on. You can pick this up at your local big box grocery store. Pretty convenient. Much better than those steakums or whatever the hell they call them. I think this is 14 ounces. We're going to lay this down. Once it starts cooking, we're going to give it a good chop. Hit it with some of that AP, baby. Okay, we're going to give these a little flip. Just give it a little chop. Start shredding this apart. Okay, we have our steak just about done. We got our onions and mushrooms over here. Just going to combine all this. Mix it real good. Now we got to lay down some American cheese. Now, typically, in Philadelphia, you're getting, it's like a Cooper Sharp American. You cannot find that cheese here where we are. So we're just using good old American cheese. We're going to let this melt down, and we're going to get our Texas toast ready for what we're putting on that. Okay, we got some Texas toast and buttered. I'm going to set these down and let them get nice and toasty. I'm going to mix this up real good. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and build our Texas toast Philly cheesesteaks here. I'm going to lay these guys out. I'll show you how I like to do it. Now you gotta have that whiz. So we're just going to take some of this Cheese Whiz. About a tablespoon on each one. Now you just want to give it a smear it around. Just like so. Don't skimp. Nobody likes a wimpy sandwich. Oh yeah. Now take that inside and give it a try. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and give this Texas toast Philly cheesesteak a try. I'm just gonna cut this down the center here. Taking a look at the cross section on that bad boy. Oh man, it is juicy. I hunched back for this one. Oh man. Unbelievable flavor. Don't sleep on that Cheese Whiz. You guys got to put it on there. To me, it makes a Philly cheesesteak. Give this recipe a try. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe. Get you some of that. Ooh, honey, that might be the best one I've made.